In this video, we'll be solving this particular question from CM2, which is a stochastic process question. Let's do it. Let xt be a stochastic process satisfying xt equal to x0 plus 0 to t mu s ds plus 0 to 2 sigma s dws, where w is the standard Brownian motion, and we need to state the stochastic differential equation for ft and then they have given let dxt equal to minus gamma xt dt plus sigma dwt. Prove that the solution of this stochastic process is given by this equation. Okay, so let's solve the first part. The first part says to calculate the stochastic, the SDE. So the SDE for ft comma x, and for writing in subscript we write control equal to t. Okay, xt is expressed as, okay, and then we write our equation. So we'll now write df. I'll just insert alt equal to and then I'll continue writing in my equation. So df t comma x underscore t bracket close. So the automatically this will come in subscript equal to now del f by del t dt, which is our Taylor series. So by writing partial and press, see, this comes as del f divided by, similarly I write partial and t. Okay, and see now this has become like a fraction dt plus del f by del x. Now please don't write partial every time, just select this, copy and paste. It saves a lot of time. So del f by del x, and then we need to write dx underscore t. Okay, plus half, so this now again fraction, now del f by del x square. So what I'll do, I'll again paste what I had copied. I need del square f, so del square f by del x square. So see, it saves time. And dxt square, so again I'll not just write, I'll just copy from here my dxt, or you can write whatever, this does not take that much time also. So I'll just copy paste dxt and you can press a square. So see, this is converted to a dxt square. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to convert our equation according to the given equation which is there. So let, instead of writing an equation, we need to come back to normal. The integral equation, the way I'm just solving, the way we solve in our copies, integral equation given for xt can be written in differential form. So what equation which has been given above, which we can write it in differential form, and this is the same as nothing but dxt. So again equation, I'll insert an equation dx underscore t dxt equal to mu dt plus sigma dwt. So I'll just write mu space dt plus backslash sigma, okay, space underscore t, so mu sigma t, and then dw underscore t dwt. Okay, now next you need to substitute this in the previous equation. So again substituting in previous equation, and you can now substitute, again press alt equal to df t comma x underscore t, which you can copy directly from above also, you don't need to write. What I'll do, I'll just copy this del f del t, and dt also I need, so I'll copy del f del t plus del, I need up till here, so I'll copy till here and I'll paste it here. And now for dxt I need to substitute this. I'll again copy the equation from here, I'll paste it here, okay, plus half del f square dx square, and I'll copy this from here, paste it, and then again I'll copy mu dt, Control C, Control V, close, to the power 2. Okay, so this the equation is done. Now what you need to just break this equation. I'll press a tab. So my equation is here. I've come out. Now I press a tab, which is equal to, and now I'll write my equation del f del t dt. Again copying this. Okay, del f del t dt plus del f del x you need, and I'll copy this entire thing. Okay, and plus I need what? I know that mu dt square becomes 0. Only I'll be, and dwt square gives me dt, so I'll be left with half of this value plus into sigma square. So I'll just copy sigma t also from here. I'm just copy pasting. I've not written anything else separately now. And you want a square also, so just write to the power 2 and then you write dt. Okay, so this will give me the equation, and then you can group your equations of dt and dwt together. So your dt del f and del f del t will come here. Then you have plus, you have your del f del x into mu also, to copy till mu. Okay, just del f del x, and I'll just write mu in the beginning. And how to write mu is backslash mu, and this gives you mu. Okay, plus you can write, let me come down to show you. So you're inside the equation, plus you have your these values which also come as dt. So paste it, close your bracket, and this is dt. You can start your bracket also inside, so that this is converted into a bigger bracket when we press space. Okay, so see, this is converted into bigger bracket, and plus we have our sigma t dwt. So copy the sigma t dwt from here, paste, and then there is a in between del f del x also, the way we write in our copy. Okay, so this converts your SDE for us, and now we'll find the solution of our SDE, which is the part 2 of this question. So let's come to part 2, solution of SDE. So for solution of SDE, we'll write, what we need to define first is a new process, which we know is yt, y underscore t equal to e to the power gamma t and xt, which is there. Okay, so e to the power backslash gamma, so this will convert it to your gamma, and t and space it will convert, and x underscore t. Okay, so e to the power gamma t has been fit here. This is a new equation, and now we let what do we let is, we let ft, let me go inside the equation, we let ft comma xt equal to our yt, which is equal to our e to the power gamma t xt. Okay, and now we'll put this value in. So again I'm just writing alt equal to, and I'll just write d of y underscore t equal to my value of dft xt, dft comma x underscore t, close, which is equal to, and we'll copy what we had derived above, which was this equation which we have written above. Okay, you can see both places we have our these values. Now what are mu? We know our mu t and sigma t are drift and volatility coefficients, so you can just write what you know, mu so alt equal to divided by mu and underscore t will give me mu t, and sigma t, spelling should be correct, sigma underscore t, and you can now come out are the drift coefficients, and drift and volatility coefficients. So volatility coefficients, just correcting the spellings of the original process x control equal to t. Okay, that is, now I'll copy mu t from here, control C, I'll come to next line, control V, mu t is equal to minus bracket gamma x underscore t and backslash sigma underscore t is equal to backslash sigma only. Okay, so these are the values mu t and sigma t, and from the original process xt these are. So we now calculate the partial derivatives. So for the partial derivatives, again you write backslash del f del xt. Sorry, I told you partial will give me this del f divided by hashtag backslash partial del x underscore t. Okay, and then space, this will be converted, and now I'm not cutting, I'm not writing again del f of del xt, control V, just remove the f from here, and we need to use arrow keys to come out of this, and we need to write e to the power gamma t xt, which is already written above. Just paste this, okay, and equal to e to this will give me answer of e to the power gamma t. So just remove xt from your answer. Okay, solving the partial differential equation. Now we need del square f by del xt square. So I'll just copy this as we had done previously also. So copy this part, paste, to the power 2, space changing here also, to the power 2 space, and gets converted. Similar thing you do here. Okay, and then you need power of e to the power gamma t. So you can just copy e to the power gamma t, paste it here. Okay, okay, this is if you are taking, then this will, there won't any square here. So okay, just control Z. Okay, there won't be any square here if we are taking our value to be e to the power gamma t, and then equal to, this is 0, and you can give us space so that it comes in orientation, and the last is del f del t. So just copy del f del t from here. I am not again writing, it saves a lot of time when I copy. Del f del t equal to del t. So again I'll paste, just go up, remove f, come down. I need e to the power gamma t xt, so I'll just copy this again from here. So every time, you know, it's a repeated process, and you know, just writing each and everything repeatedly, and again you need copy this. We know this value for this will be gamma, and then paste gamma e to the power gamma t xt, and space, this comes in. So therefore the SDE of YT becomes, now we'll just insert it in that equation which we had written above this equation. Since we have got all the values of our model, I'll not copy the entire thing, I'll just copy this part, dyt and dftxt. Okay, so putting this value, and you write equal to, and now we have our values with et. For dt we had gamma e to the power gamma t xt, and just put a square brackets, control V, plus, then I have a minus sign, I think I have a plus mu f del x, and so minus gamma t comes for mu, So since we have written to minus gamma xt, it comes from here. And then you have your e to the power gamma t from your del f xt. So this is value from here, and plus a 0 with the dt, and then you are left with the sigma square part. So plus gamma e to the power gamma d, which is a sigma. Then we have del f del x, we have already calculated as e to the power gamma t, sigma del f del x value, which is e to the power gamma t, and then you have your dwt. So dw underscore t. Okay, this gives you the equation. And if you can, now we'll integrate integrating from time 0 to t and renaming the time variable as s. So we'll first rename the time variable s, and then t as s, and then we'll integrate from 0 to t. So basically we get yt minus y0 equal to sigma, so alt equal to backslash sigma, and then I need to write integration sign. So I see int, backslash int will give me integration, then underscore 0 to the power t will give me the limits, and e to the power gamma s dws. So e to the power bracket, you write backslash gamma space s close space e to the power gamma s, and dw underscore s dws. So this is your equation, and then you rewrite the values of the original process. So now we'll write rewriting y in terms, since see I just pressed control equal to, rewriting y in terms of the original process x, this becomes e to the power gamma t xt minus, now we'll just put the values. So I'm not writing again, e to the power gamma t xt control c control v minus e to the power gamma into 0, time is 0, so e to the power gamma into 0 by x0. Okay, this becomes gamma into 0 is e to the 0, and then this is equal to, and you have the value of this sigma 0 to t e to the power sigma s dws. Just copy pasting this, giving a space, and this comes back here, and then we have our values e to the power gamma t xt control v is equal to e to the power is 0 becomes 1, so x naught plus this integration value, just not taking the equal to sign and taking this value, control v, and you get this. Now if you put xt down there, alt equal to x underscore t, xt is equal to, so this will become x naught, which you can copy there, e to the power minus of gamma t close, and this becomes like this, plus copy this again entire thing, control c control v, and here you add your e to the power minus gamma t, which you have already written and which has come from that side. Okay, so this becomes our equation for the solution. If you can compare this with your original solution, it's exactly the same, x0 e to the power minus gamma t and sigma 0 to t gamma s minus t, which we need to, if we take our this value inside, we'll get the same answer. Okay.